Hey guys, so today we'll be answering the WJEC A-Level Maths sample paper. Okay, so let's begin by reviewing the definition of mutually exclusive. Okay, so when we have two events that are mutually exclusive, this means that event A, for example, and event B do not overlap, meaning these two events do not happen at the same time. So mathematically, this means the intersection does not exist, meaning the probability of A intersection B is equal to 0. Whereas independent events, if we have two independent events, A and B, the event A does not depend on the event B. However, in this case, the intersection does exist. And mathematically, this can be written as the probability of A intersection B is equal to the probability of A multiplied by the probability of B. Okay, so part A is asking us to find the union of A and B when the events A and B are mutually exclusive. So from what we've seen before, we know that the intersection is equal to 0. So by using the formula, the union of A is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of the union of A and B. We know this is equal to 0, therefore we can just take that out. So this is equal to the probability of A, which is 0.2, plus the probability of B, which is 0.3. And now this is equal to 0.5. Okay, so now we are going to find the probability of the union of A and B, where events A and B are independent. So by using the same formula, we have the union A and B is equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of the intersection. So we know by reviewing the definition at the start that the intersection is equal to the probability of A times the probability of B. So if we rewrite this, we obtain probability of A plus the probability of B minus probability of A multiplied the probability of B. So now this is equal to 0.2 plus 0.3 minus 0.2 multiplied by 0.3. So now if we add this together, we have 0.2 plus 0.3 minus 0.06, which we now have 0.05 minus 0.06, and now this is equal to 0.44. Okay, so in part C is asking us to find A union B, whereby event A is a subset of B, meaning we have event B, and within event B, we have event A, as shown in the diagram. So now if we were to find A union B, we would say this is equal to the probability of B. This is because everything in A is within the probability B, which is equal to 0.3.